Alright, that's for me too?
Yeah. You have another key.
I have all three tapes. I just have a boxer.
We'll put her in the back.
I'm going to put a boxer here and that one with me. Or vice versa, which is better with me. There's very little space.
You're good.
Okay, Charmer.
You're going to be with me in the front, okay, baby?
Alright, what
I'll give you a smooch.
I don't give you.
Yeah. Okay, let's put her in.
Look at this. Look at that.
Yeah, thanks.
Just two babies.
Hand off. I've got Charmer in my arms and he's making my hands tired. Oh. Yeah, that black one is so cute. These two are like best friends. Get in there.
Come here, baby. Oh, I just got your butt. All right, I'll get you later.
I'll get you later.
Put that away. I'm going to close the door on this one, because it's cold in there, huh?
Yeah. Oh, he's nice and warm. Sorry. Okay. Oh.
Back in there.
Get in there, Charmer. Wonderful days await you.
Better off.
Okay.
Be right back, little one.
See you later, buddy. Nice to meet you. I can't get too attached.
I know.
I love you.
That's the hard part. Okay, how's our boxer doing?
Bria.
Bria, baby.
She's pretty.
When you get down, she's sweet.
I'm a little sucker for boxers.
Oh, she's pretty.
Last night, dropped them off. She went to so bad. She went. She's got all over there. Oh, she's sweet. Okay. Now, I have a bag of towels.
Okay.
Okay, you may just throw them in the back.
I've taken the floor.
I just dropped them off to somebody.
Oh,
So they used up the room for one more, and I.
Oh, okay, very good.
All right. One last goodbye. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye, Bria. You're a good dog. Good luck.
I'm just going to bring my camera.
Well, I'm taking a movie right now. I'm taking a movie right now. So I'll put this on YouTube and send it to everyone.
Hey.
Bye, you guys.
All right, let me
How do I stop it?
Here's the little one.
in the front, my first seat.
Number